So far, we only talk about the hospitality networks, but AXING is very active also for operator networks. Here on my right, I'm going to be talking about some of the solutions that we have. Then on my left, I will be talking about the products itself. So in general, for operator network, the biggest challenge that we see in the market is the last mile. So the operators can bring IP feeds either on fiber or in any other format, but since the building is relying on the coax, so the signals should be converted back to RF again. So our EdgeQAM systems are designed for this purpose. You can receive IP feeds, IP multicast, and convert them back to RF. Another approach is again to get over the challenge for the last mile. Our distributed access solutions, our CCAP nodes, either on a supersized version for DOCSIS 3.1, which you can feed up to 1,000 subscribers via a 10G access, or we have also a compact version not to use as an access node at the shelter or at the hub, but basically to be placed directly at the building and convert the signal IP feeds to RF for TV and also for DOCSIS data. And the last solution is our single fiber SAT-GPON solution that enables merging both satellite feeds and PON data via a single fiber and bring it to the customers. So we already talked about the IP QAMs, the use cases, and as I mentioned that we got a scalable platform that you can use the solution in a compact version that you can put at the entry point of an apartment building or a hotel, and you can receive RF feeds out of IP. So this is a 24-channel IP QAM, and we have got 16-channel version as well in this form factor. This is externally powered. And here on my left, this is the supersized version, which enables to receive IP feeds from two separate gigabit Ethernet ports and convert them to RF via 2x24 MUX channels. So this is in total, this enables to output 48 RF MUX. It's got dual power supply. We can offer the PID and network ID editing and input channel redundancy and many more functions. And of course the SMARTPortal, as I mentioned, it's the core, it's the central of our headend solution, so that you can connect all our headends and access via cloud through our Smart Tool, SMARTPortal platform. And the last product on this line is our CCAP node. So this is a CMTS plus EdgeQAM device in a single compact housing. So this enables to receive IP feeds. It has got 32x8 DOCSIS bonding, and it's got also 16-channel DVB-C MUX. So you got the full RF frequency, and you can freely select to which portion you would like to dedicate your bandwidth and to which portion you would like to use the RF channels for TV. And the Spectra, let's talk about the Spectra. So the Spectra is making one thing miraculously. So this is to transmit multiple satellites, multiple polarities via a single fiber, and as well as enabling the merge, the multiplexing of the PON network. So maybe I explain you the signal flow. On the left, you have your satellite IF gateway here, which means you can receive up to 32 transponders and convert them to a single new IF band. And this IF band is being transmitted to an optical transmitter, which converts the signal into an optical domain, so fiber optics in 1550. You can, if you want, if the signal distribution is too long, let's say this is ideal for campus networks, VLAN networks, so large access environment. And if you would like to amplify the signal, we also have the EDFA. And from the other side, in parallel, the signals are coming from your internet provider through the OLT, and in the optical MUX, basically you are multiplexing your signals coming from your optical transmitter or EDFA and also OLT. You merge the signal, you go the distance, a couple of kilometers or more, then you arrive to the apartment buildings, and inside the buildings, inside the households, you have got your optical receiver. This is a very unique device because it has got not only the optical to RF conversion, but also it enables optical bypass port to have fiber access for the PON devices. So from the RF output, you will basically have your TV services that you can connect to your set-top boxes or TVs. And from the PON port as the bypass, you can connect them to your endpoints, optical receiver endpoint devices for internet reception.